Hello, today I will be showing you how to install and use the checkSTRESS software that you have just downloaded. If you have not filled out the download form, please do so now at cadpipestress.com. As soon as you submit your download form, you will be prompted to save the checkSTRESS installation setup file. Please save this file to your desktop or any other easily accessible folder. Next, you will need to run the checkSTRESS.exe file to start the installation. After the software has finished installing, you can start checkSTRESS with either the newly created checkSTRESS.exe icon on your desktop or from the Windows Start menu. Once checkSTRESS is open, the first thing you'll want to do is click the Browse button to locate the existing .pcf file that you may already have on your computer, or navigate to the checkSTRESS Program File Directory folder and use one of the sample .pcf files we have provided for you. Now that you have selected your .pcf file, click the Run button at the bottom of the main window. Now that your .pcf file has been successfully converted inside checkSTRESS, you can begin to study your model file by using the main graphics display window. Use the options provided in the Results dialog window to study the condition of your piping model. This concludes our tutorial. For a more advanced look at the use and operation of the software, please review the other videos provided on this site. Thank you for your interest in checkSTRESS.